Indeed, a beloved pillar in the music industry and truly one of OPM's greatest. It is my honor to present the Tribute Award to the one and only, to whom I believe that should be a national artist, Asia's Queen of Songs, Pilita Corrales.
To accept the award, please welcome Pilita Corrales' grandchildren and artists, Diego and Janine Gutierrez.
Hi guys, my name's Diego.
Ako po si Janine, pero tawagin niyo na lang po kaming Apo ni Pilita.
Wow, it's such an honor to be here accepting this award for Mamita. And you know, Pilita Corrales, she wasn't just a music icon. She was the standard for every one of us here. She inspired so many artists and, you know, gave us so many opportunities, bridged the local international music scene, and you know, she worked so hard for everything she achieved. She worked tirelessly, she gave everything to her craft, and that's why people love her. Every performance, every song she wrote, every album recorded, over 130, that's insane, isn't that insane? Over 60 years. And yeah, that's why she's so loved. But off the stage, she was just our Mamita. The most loving, the most generous, the purest soul, the kindest heart. And the amount of work she put in the music industry, she gave twice as much to her loved ones and to her family. And I think everyone who came across her can attest to that. So yeah, I think she's looking down. She's very proud of where OPM is right now. So yeah, we love you, Mamita, and we miss you.
On behalf of our family, maraming salamat po sa Filipino Music Awards for this honor. Despite all of Mamita's achievements, at the core, siya pa rin yung batang Cebuana na kinailangan kumanta dahil namatay ng maaga yung tatay niya. And that's a very Filipino survival story. And her career is proof that if you put purpose and passion together, you will be propelled forward. And her legacy was also propelling so many young musicians and artists forward. So, maraming salamat kasi kahit wala na siya dito, lahat ng mga musician, lahat ng fans, you keep her legacy alive. So, maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang OPM.
And the celebration continues.